Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a prom makeup look. It is getting to that time of year where juniors and seniors of high schools are getting ready to go to their final dance of the year. And I remember prom time, it was like my favorite time of the year. I loved picking out dresses and getting ready to do my makeup and stuff. And I was always the girl to do everyone else's makeup in my friend group as well. So it was always a really fun time for me, and that's kind of what sparked my love with makeup, was doing my friends' hair and makeup. But anyways, I'm doing this kind of neutral look with a pop of color in the waterline. You can do any color in the waterline that you want. I just chose to do turquoise today. You can color coordinate it with your dress or just do a random pop of color, whatever you want to do really, or you can just put black or brown in your waterline. That's totally up to you. I personally love doing pops of color in the waterline. I think it adds so much to the look and just makes it a little bit more interesting. I did use high-end products today. I will be doing one more prom makeup look, and that will be a drugstore look. So leave a comment down below on what kind of look you want to see for that, if there's any specific colors, or if you want more of like darker look or a lighter look or something with eyeliner, let me know. But yeah, I really ended up liking this. This is usually what I would wear to dances. Of course, I've mastered my makeup skills over the years, so this looks a lot better than what I did in high school, but it's usually the gist of what I would do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so we're going to start off with a clean face, nothing on it, and we're going to dance a little bit before we get started and moisturize our lips. And then for brows, today I'm going to be using the Furrowcious brow pencil by TheBalm, and this is in the shade Blonde. I've only used this a couple times. It is a little bit too warm for my liking, but we're going to use it anyways. And then to clean that up, I'm taking the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral and this little flat concealer brush from a BH Cosmetics brush set. I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows like I normally do. And then taking the TooFaced Shadow Insurance to prime my eyelids. I don't normally prime my eyelids, but for special occasions like this, I always make it an extra step to do this. And then after the primer is all dried and set, I'm going to take some of that Urban Decay concealer just to cover up my veins and stuff and blend that out with a damp beauty blender. And then I'm going to set my lids with the Cover FX Perfect Loose Translucent Setting Powder just to make sure everything is nice and smooth and the eyeshadow applies very evenly. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'm using the Naked palette by Urban Decay. I figured a lot of people probably have this palette, so I chose it. I'm using the LA Girl 202 Big Fluffy Crease Brush in the shade Naked from that palette, and this is going to be our crease color. I'm just blending that out a lot in my crease. Then taking the color Buck, which is just a darker brown, and I forgot to show the brush, but it's like a smaller crease brush from Luxie. I'm first applying it in my crease, and then I'm going to apply it to my outer and inner corner. We're kind of going for a halo eye look today, so we're leaving the middle of our eyelid bare. Then taking that LA Girl fluffy brush, I'm just making sure that everything is blended out. Then to deepen up the look a little bit, I'm taking the color Creep and this flat blender brush from Luxie. I'm going to apply that to my outer and inner corner of my lid, just blending it out as I go. Then taking the color Virgin and a dense blender brush from Luxie, I'm going to apply that to my brow bone. I end up using my face highlighter for my brow highlight anyways, so you don't really have to do this step. Then next taking the Tarte Chrome Paint, and this is in the shade Top Yacht. It's such a beautiful and vibrant eyeshadow. All of the chrome paints are so beautiful, but I especially love this color. I'm just going to apply that to the center of my lid using my finger, nothing special, and then blending it out with that Luxie brush that I used before. Then taking the Stila Magnificent Metals Liquid Eyeshadow, this is in the shade Diamond Dust. I'm just taking the applicator straight to my lid. Just on the very center of it, I want to add a little bit extra glitter, and this just really makes the look pop. Then applying some mascara, I'm using the TooFaced Better Than Sex Mascara, and popping on some falsies, I'm using the Iris Beauty lashes in the style Athena. They are so freaking beautiful, I love them, and also wiping my face off with some makeup wipes. Alright, and then to move on to the face, I'm starting with the Becca First Light Priming Filter. This is one of my favorite primers. And then using a nice full coverage foundation. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation in the shade Light Cool. It is a little bit too dark for me. I thought that my skin would match this color, but I make sure to blend it all the way down my neck. A big piece of advice I have for you guys with like special events like this: make sure you are blending your foundation all the way down your neck and even onto your chest if your chest is really showing in a dress, because this will make or break your look if your foundation does not match the rest of your body. So make sure that you're blending it all the way down. Once that foundation is all blended out, I'm just going to take that Urban Decay concealer that I used before, and I'm going to apply that to my under eyes, and then on the high points of my face, like my chin, my upper lip, and my forehead. And once that's all blended out, I'm going to bake underneath my eyes and on my smile lines with that Cover FX loose powder, just to ensure that I won't be creasing throughout the night. This is very important, especially on me. If you don't like baking, then you can skip this step if you want. Then I'm going to take this big fluffy brush from Iconic London and set the rest of my face with that powder. Alright, and then to warm up the outsides of my face, I'm taking the TooFaced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, and with that same big fluffy brush, I'm just going to really buff that out just on the outskirts of my face. I'm not like severely contouring or anything. I never really ever severely contour. I just like to make sure that my face looks warm and glowy and not like one pale sheet. Then adding some blush with that same Iconic London brush, I'm taking the Butter Blush by Physicians Formula, and this is in the shade Vintage Rouge. Now for highlight, the best part of the whole look, taking this Iconic London fan brush in the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Pillow Talk. This is my current favorite highlighter. I've been using it like freaking crazy lately. It's just so beautiful. Like, you can see how beautiful it is. It's so vibrant. It just adds that much to a look. I'm just highlighting the high points of my face, obviously. Then I'm going to be spraying my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray because my face felt a little bit dry. And then setting my brows with the Pacifica Clear Brow Gel. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Perversion. I'm just tightlining with that. And then to waterline, I'm taking the same 24/7 Hour whatever Glide On Pencil, and this is in the shade Deep End. I just decided to go for a turquoise blue. I love putting blue or purple in my tightline or my waterline. It just makes my eyes pop. And then taking the shade Creep from the Naked palette and this flat definer brush from Luxie, I'm going to put that right up against my lower lash line. And then once that's done, I'm going to blend it out with the fluffy definer brush from Luxie with the color Buck. Just really blending it out, making sure it's nice and seamless. Then we're going to take some of that Ofra highlighter and putting that on my inner corners to finish off the eyeshadow, and then putting some mascara on my lower lashes. Then to finish off the whole look, I'm taking some lip liner. This is the Nabla Cosmetics Velvetine lip liner, and this is in the shade Closer. And the lipstick that I'm using today is the new Too Faced Natural lipstick. This is in the shade Send Nudes, and I just blend those two colors together, and that is pretty much it for this look. Okay everyone, that is it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, feel free to leave comments down below on what you want to see for the next prom makeup look. Again, it's going to be a drugstore look, so if there's any specific products that you want me to use, or if there's any palettes that you want me to use, leave that down below. I know there's a lot of different suggestions, but you guys always give me really good ideas. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys have a fantastic time at prom. Be safe. Make good choices. You are still under 21. Don't do anything you will regret in a few years. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.